Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make chicken wrap. It is quick and easy, and I'm also gonna make a sauce to go with it. And to start, I'm going to do the sauce first, which I have in this bowl sour cream and mayonnaise, equal amount of both of them, and I'm using half cup each. So if you don't want to use sour cream, you can replace it with thick yogurt like Greek yogurt, and the mayonnaise is just plain. And then some spices is going in it, which is salt, pepper, granulated garlic, a little bit of chili powder and paprika powder. You can also use cayenne pepper, which is less spicy. I'm gonna add all of these spices to this the sauce. This is going to be our chicken wrap sauce. Just give it a good mix, and our sauce has been mixing well. And now I'm gonna go cover this with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge while we prep our chicken. And for the chicken, I have 2 pieces of chicken breast right here, and I have cut them into half, just slice them into half so they can cook quickly and properly, just like that. All right, and now the seasonings that I'm using, and this is grilled chicken seasoning, granulated garlic, salt, pepper, chili powder, a little bit of basil, dry basil, and paprika powder. And just take a spoon and mix all of this together. Sprinkle this seasoning all over the chicken. Flip it on the other side. We're also gonna seasoning the other side. In a non-stick pan, I have olive oil and butter preheating, and that's ready over medium-high heat. And now you're gonna add your chicken. You're gonna cook this chicken 4 to 5 minutes each side. Flip the chicken over, and we're gonna cook the other side as well. Chicken is looking gorgeous. Now it's time to remove, and this is done. So remove onto a clean plate and let it rest for 10 minutes. We're almost ready to assemble the chicken wrap. I have the chicken here already rested, and the topping I'm using is lettuce, mango, which I have cut them into strips. Same for the sweet pepper, red pepper, some onion. You can definitely use whatever you prefer over here for to assemble the chicken wrap. And then I'm also using tomato flavor of the tortilla wrap. Is store bought, and I got my sauce right here just came out from the fridge. So first, let's go and cut the chicken into tiny strip, same as the veggies. To begin, I'm gonna spread some sauce right in the middle, and then some chicken. I'm just following the length of this wrap. And something new, I just brought some cheese, so we are going to add some cheese, which I forgot to bring it before. I'm using Havarti cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use mozzarella. All right, some mangoes, peppers, lettuce, and some onion. Then I'm gonna start folding. Try to make it tight as possible, and then we're just gonna push this side in so it will stay, and just like that. Now this wrap can go and grill, or you can just put it in the toaster oven and just let it be for 5 minutes, maybe less, just until the cheese melt, and then your wrap is ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this video with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know how do you make your chicken wrap. Don't forget to share your recipes as well, which I always wait for it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.